Hello everybody for today's session. Today we have session number 4. Please, I am excited to have you all here, and please sit down, sit back, relax, and let's start diving on this session to learn Gobuster, Dirb and Dirbuster. Okay, those tools are used for website footprinting and enumeration. So those tools actually similar to each other. Some of them work as terminal as Gobuster and Dirb. The other will work as GUI, Dirbuster. So I will do to make a small lab or those how we can enumerate and make footprint to gather information about the website. So they are very powerful tools, especially Gobuster. We're used to brute forcing directories, DNS, subdomains. Also, its virtual host names can collect on the web servers. Also, it's written in Go because it helps security professional and ethical hackers discover hidden files. Also, directories, hidden directories, and subdomains that might be publicly listed. Also, it's used for penetrating or penetration testing by the pen testers and the security professionals to identify the potential vulnerabilities in web applications. Gobuster supports multiple modes, including directory enumeration, DNS subdomain, discovery, and virtual host enumerations. So it is very useful to get information by hackers because hackers use the tools to get information about websites before start customize the attack. Those information are very useful for attackers to customize their weaponization attack, and how to deliver it we'll discuss later on in upcoming sessions. So let's go for the next slide to see the difference between Gobuster, Dirb, and Dirbuster. What are the differences? Gobuster is extremely fast because it's the fastest tools among the Dirb and Dirbuster because it uses multi-threading, okay, or multiple threading or multi-threading usage. It works best for large-scale brute force attacks on directories and subdomains. Supports HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, and S bucket enumeration. Best for pen tester who need speed and efficiency. Okay, very important. Why it used? Because it's faster than Dirb and Dirbuster. Works well for large word lists. Because when we need, I need to show you how I can download the word list to use for this kind of tools for footprinting the websites. Support subdomain, enumeration, Gobuster, DNS. Dirb, it is very slow because it is single threaded, not look like multiple threading as Gobuster, okay? But it is more stable. It can use good for background scanning while working on another task. For example, you are doing a lot of tasks. Okay, run this one and forget it. After you finish the other task, come back and check this Dirb task because it needs long time to get information. Support HTTP, HTTPS, but not support DNS and S3. Still now, Gobuster is better. Support most of them and more faster. Also, a basic directory forcing. Why it is used? Used for simple and reliable, works well for small scale scans, can be used for low resource environments. What about Dirbuster? Dirbuster using GUI-Based. It's more easier than the others because once you have run this, Dirbuster will open the GUI and you put the IP address or the URL link and check some features and go away or go ahead to start the testing or scanning for the websites. It has graphical, as you said, interface. It is more beginner friendly. It's also using multi-threaded like Gobuster, but still slower than Gobuster. Okay, but faster than Dirb. Recursive scanning automatically scan deeper directories, best for beginners who prefer a visual interface. Why it used? Easier for new user who prefer a visual interface, can automatically scan deeper directories, useful for manual testing alongside automated scan. So I try to make a small lab for each of them to show the difference, and maybe we need to add Nikto as well, because those kind of tools, it can be useful to enumerate and gather information about directories, hidden directories files in the website, that you need to check the vulnerabilities if are vulnerable, because later on in our training, why I'm giving this training for you for the tools. First, I'm going step by step, okay, logical organization in my training, because I'd like from you to start to learn about the web site fundamentals, internet fundamentals, the protocols, then try to understand and learn about the tools which can make gathering information about those things. After that, I can go more deeply in this training until we can reach how to penetrate the website. Before that, we need to learn everything related to fundamentals, the tools, and at the end, we need to start doing the attacks, as I showed you last time about SQL injection, SQL cross-site scripting, XSS, CRF, and clickjacking, those and DDoS. Before doing those attacks, and each attack I said last time, we need to have many sessions to be started from beginning to hero, to let's say mastering this attack. But before that, we learn about footprinting tools as today's session, and also next session I will talk about Burp Suite. It's very important tool also after learning about the footprinting tools. And before, I already built the website to understand the protocols and the commands, and also the fundamental of web server, the webs, and about the Big Bounty program, because at the end of this training you need to join or attend a bug bounty until you start searching for vulnerabilities for any website. Not any website you need to go. No, there's some platform, official platform for that goal or target for bug bounty. Through this platform, many companies, famous companies, benchmark companies, already asking their request to look for their vulnerabilities. And once you found any vulnerability, you can gain money, okay, or gift. So let's start doing for Gobuster, okay. Okay, before go to the lab, just very fast information about Gobuster, which is searching for directories, file brute forcing for directories, actually the files. It's very speedy, designed for speed and efficiency. Okay, for me, I prefer to go Gobuster. It is very fast, by the way. Okay, will not stay a long time to get the information. But before that, I need to download a word list. I show you how. I can go to GitHub. Okay, from GitHub I can find the word list for Gobuster, Dirb or Dirbuster, whatever. Okay. Also, this Gobuster using a technique for the dictionary attack. Gobuster will take each word from the word list we already downloaded. After we download it, I mean, it will take each word, because this list, it has thousands of words. Okay, maybe this have potential or a possibility in the any website, and will search for based on this words to find the hidden or the directories of the files. And once there's the file or directory is exists, it give you 200. That means this exists. Okay. If no, will give you what? 404 not found, not exist. Or we give you 403, that means it is exists but forbidden. That means it's protected. It need a credential to access this folder, subfolder, subdomain, or files. So Gobuster will take any word or word by word from the list, and for example, I will download this directory list from GitHub. I'll show you how, and then I use a command, this command Gobuster, then I put dir, that means directory, -u mean URL, then I put the URL as this HTTPS and put URL like this, then I make -w, that means the word list I downloaded to use it. After that I put the path where I put the word list. Okay, let's say the name is common text, the word list, and then I put -t50, that means it uses 50 multi-threaded to be more faster. I can make it more faster, I can put 75, 100, whatever, okay, to be more faster for giving the information and finalize the task. So let's go now to the lab. For example, I'll go open to my Kali. In the Kali, okay, I press login. I put Dirbuster list, okay, to download. Okay, Dirbuster, enter. Then I want to this GitHub. There's many GitHub link, different word list. You can also words. The other will be smaller. Also have a lot of words. Okay, these are things. Okay, once I select, let's say, directory, big, medium, for example. For the medium, then I will press, okay, it is around 1.7 meg. Okay, I download. It will be already downloaded. You see, medium, small, yeah, like this. So let me browse the downloaded file. Okay, you see I have downloaded here many files. So what I will do, I will write a command for Gobuster. It's very easy, by the way. So I can find here from the download ls. Those are the files. I will use any of them. I will use, let's say, the medium one, or this one, general medium one. Okay. If you need to see what inside, you can make less or more, whatever, directly 2.3 dash medium text. You see a lot of words. You see we can go many words. Those words, it will be used by Gobuster or Dirbuster or Dirb, just to take one word by one word to check the website path, and if this exists, we'll give it 200 for the code status. If not exist, 404. If denied, 403. Okay. So see the words, many words. I can go long time. I cannot finish. That's just I show you. Okay. This is the option of words. So I will stop. I will cut. Control Z. Okay. So I will write the command. If you need to install, sudo apt install Gobuster. Okay, Gobuster. I already installed it and put the password. Okay, already installed. I have the version, new version. Hello. Okay, 3.6. Okay, I will write the command Gobuster and go Gobuster, and this is the one I already wrote. Gobuster dir directory minus 2 is the URL. I will use this URL, okay, to check. Then minus W, which is the directory list I show you already in my download, okay, and then minus T and select 50, which is the multi-threaded. That's why will be very fast. I can make it 60 or 100, okay, to be more faster. Okay, keep 50 now, enter. We'll see what happened now. Start now using the word list word one by word, and he put and check and give me 200 the code status. That means slash blog is what available. That's blogging available. So let me take one. I'll show you the difference. Let's take catalog. Catalog, it is what? Status 200. Okay. Copy. Okay. Log the same. I found it in the result, and see, yes, that means available is the catalog. You see, return back to Kali, available. So for example, let's get admin. Okay, admin, copy selection and come back again here and put admin here. It is denied, you know, access denied. That means as shown in the result that this admin subdomain, directory is available, exists, but it is 403, it is denied or blocked. I cannot use because there's a credentials. So like this, you see now 31% showing, and it show me a lot possibility, the hidden also directories, and one of those directories is not, for example, if I go to the website, return back to the main page. Now I can go products. Okay, in products there's accessories, a company book, Jane juice. Okay, also we have blog. Okay, if I put here blog, you see the blog existing there in the result. So I have login and my account are existing, our story, but vulnerability is not exist. So vulnerability is not exist. I will see the result. If the result show me vulnerabilities, it is hidden. What? Hidden directory. I can read more information, and I can discover many hidden directories. That's why I can know these vulnerabilities. You see this one? Vulnerabilities. It is hidden. I didn't find in the website itself, okay? But I can use it here. I can use it here. Let's say. See, I get the information about vulnerabilities. Let me modify, remove this one and enter. Yeah, see, tell me the path about blog, give me hidden information. I can take this one. I know this image. Let's see, open. Okay, now I can put, let's see, slash and put the path here, and let's check if they give me anything in the path. Okay, only one /. You see, I get the image, hidden information. I get it. You see, it is in the blogs, but show me image, different path. Like this, I can discover or enumerate the website. Okay, to get the most sensitive information belong to the website. So let's finish the scanning and we'll discuss. Now let's go to different Dirb. Okay, again, If Dirb not available, it tell you is you need to install it. You said yes, install it. I will install it. Okay. Now see the difference. Okay, starting. And also we need to start one more about Dirbuster to show you the difference. Okay, Dirbuster. If not available, it automatically will tell you it's not available. This tool, you not to install it. Yes, you said yes, install it please. Or as I show you sudo apt install Dirbuster. Now it will open for me a GUI. I have the same options I use in the terminal for Gobuster, and will be more it will be less faster than Gobuster, but using what? Multi-thread. But Dirb will use only single thread, will be very, very slow. Okay, you see here I can put the HTTPS, let's say use the website. Okay, then I can use go faster, give me 200 threads. You know, I can play here 50 thread, whatever. I make it 200. Okay, or 205, whatever. Okay, then use get request only or auto. Give it as auto as by default. I can list based Bruteforce, or I have list. Okay, browse. Same list I use. For example, go to download. In download I use the medium or make small. Okay, no problem. Then many options here. Bruteforce Dirbs, the files. Yeah, I need for files and directories Bruteforce thing, and to check all. Now start. It will take time also. And wait. So here the Dirbuster already started and giving GUI, and we'll start doing the things. Okay, now we'll check. Minimize and return back to Dirb to see the Dirb task. Okay, see Dirb still now generating word list. It will take long time. Okay, that's why I prefer to use Gobuster, which is more faster. Okay, let's come back to Gobuster. Yes, now 69 like this. Okay, just get the information, and you know all the directories, all the files, the hidden also ones, and you get information on our website. This is called enumeration and brute forcing. Maybe you found some vulnerabilities using those directories, I mean. Okay, so I have the last command I show you. It goes nicto. Okay, okay, nicto only make this command nicto -h https, and this is the website, and start to do enumeration as well, give you many information. Today I finish for showing you these tools. I hope you enjoy, and next session I will talk about very important tools for Barb Suite, where you can intercept any requesting and reply, where you are communicating with the web server, and you can manipulate and start many attack on that. It's very important than those enumeration tools. Thank you for today's session, and see you for next session. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and enjoy your life. Take care. Goodbye.